Okay, this is a video for anyone that has a 68 to a 69 Lincoln Mark III and they're having problems with their power steering pump. People have been talking about doing a belt drive conversion. Well, I'm gonna attempt it here. I've been gathering pieces to do the conversion. To do it, you need a later style timing cover, because this one has a special opening just to hold the pump. You need that's a standard type harmonic balancer, not where it's just all in one. You need the correct pulleys. You need the power steering pump. Actually, I got that from a friend. He just gave it to me. It was sitting in his shed for 20 years. You need the brackets. This isn't actually the correct bracket. This came off of a 400, but it looks really similar to the correct bracket. And only thing that's different is this little area here was added. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to cut this out and just weld in a flat piece of metal or not, but I'll find out. I'm hoping I can use the bracket though. Also, you need it's called a crank spacer. But yeah. Oh, and the water pumps. You see, you can tell the opening's different, and this is I think this is the later. This is considered a later style, even though this is the style they had from 1970 on. And see, I don't know if I need different alternator brackets or not. It looks like I might, but maybe if I just buzz down this one little boss here, that the original alternator bracket will fit. I do have to transfer some of the parts over, because there's a plate that goes between the water pump and the timing cover. I'll be transferring that over, and the fuel pump. And oh yeah, and there is a fitting in the water pump you have to reuse. And I think that's about it. Now I know I also have to swap over the AC components, but I didn't get those. That'll be done at a later time. This is for a friend's car. But yeah, I didn't even expect to do this at first. When the car first came to me, it actually originally came to me for brake lines. But you know, I found out the pump was bad, and they're just too expensive to rebuild. So yeah. First up, I have to remove the remains of the air conditioning system, the remains of the power steering system, which is nothing more than the reservoir and, of course, the power steering pump. I mean, the air conditioning. Okay, I've started to put it together. I got the AC compressor and power steering reservoir out of the way. Looks like I have to do some more painting on the motor. Got the new timing cover in. I haven't installed a gasket yet. I'm just doing this to see how everything fits. No gasket between the cover and the fuel pump. I might have to make a new fuel line, because someone just jury-rigged this one. I'm not exactly sure how it's supposed to be routed, but I don't think this is the way. I think it has a really sharp bend and comes close to the cover and then makes a turn right up there. But I have to see if I can find some pictures. But right now I got the cover in place. Next up, I'm going to put the water pump on, and then I'm going to see if the bracket I got for the power steering pump will bolt in place. I'll see if I have to modify it. And it looks like the alternator bracket is different on a 70 than a 69, so I might have to modify the water pump. I don't know.